Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a refund on Uber Eats. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm gonna let you know the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. First thing first, you're gonna simply access your Uber Eats. Make sure it is available in your region so you will not encounter an error and lag while accessing the app itself. Once you have done that, you're simply gonna go to the order history of yours. Go to the order history and select the order with the issue and find the get help section. Tap on the get help and the issue would be with a delivered or a past order option. Once you've chosen the reason for your request, it can be my order has been cancelled or the driver's issue. Once you've chosen the issue, you will be simply specifying which item were missing or incorrect, or if you have any food missing, or if you have received an incorrect item. Once you uploaded the image regarding the issue, you will have to simply follow the refund process, which will be providing your receiving method. How would you like to get your refund back? Once I've provided that, you will be able to get your refund back, and that is basically how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.